Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 stretched screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to select the correct resolution. To do this, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. You just need to scroll down under the scale and layout. You can able to see the display resolution. Click on the drop down and select the 1920 into 1080. Select it. After selecting this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, you can try different resolution which fits for you. If you have recommended resolution, then you need to select it guys. This was our first solution. The second solution is to downgrade your graphics drivers. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the display adapter section, right click on the graphics card you are using it and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from available list of available drivers on my computer. Now you need to select the old driver by seeing the date. You can able to see the old driver over here guys. In my case 2021 and 2024. You can easily find by using this date. After finding it, you need to select the old driver guys. After selecting it, select next. After finishing this, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.